New tonight, as concerns continue about the risk of mosquito-borne illness, a local university is testing a new type of clothing that may prevent mosquito bites.
So how does it work? Meteorologist Pete Mangione has the details on what this clothing is made of and if this could be a new chemical-free approach to mosquito bite prevention.
A recent study at Brown University shows what could be an effective but comfortable defense against mosquito bites. You're looking at a human arm being swarmed by mosquitoes. It was part of an experiment at Brown University designed to test the effectiveness of a material called graphene in preventing mosquito bites. Engineering professor Dr. Robert Hurt led the study and says graphene-lined fabric might be a good alternative to wearing long-sleeve shirts or pants that are too hot for a summer day.
So what we're offering is one alternative, a non-chemical based way to wear a light breathable fabric that could provide protection against mosquito bites on the fabric.
So, how did the experiment work? Brave participants placed their arms in a chamber of mosquitoes, sometimes protected by the graphene, other times not. This mosquito-filled video is when there was no graphene protection. The study showed that not only did the graphene-lined fabric, as long as it was dry, act as a physical barrier against a biting mosquito, the material seemed to make them not even interested in biting.
They were not getting the chemical cues. They were not smelling and tasting the chemicals in your sweat that attract mosquitoes.
Fabric soaked in mosquito repellent is one method of mosquito prevention, but the graphene offers a non-chemical alternative. And if you are concerned about the study participants receiving the mosquito bites?
These are captivity-bred, pathogen-free, safe mosquitoes, but it doesn't mean it's fun to have them bite you in those numbers.
The study was funded by the Superfund Center, which focuses on environmental health. There's no timetable on when this might be available to the public as more research is still needed. I'm Pete Mangione, Eyewitness News.